Today, I want us to discuss these categories of people. One, there are these people who think when they are dependent, they can be successful very faster. And then we have this category of people who are independent and they think when they are alone, they can be successful more faster than the dependent one. So today I want to talk about the dependent people, and in the comment section you can comment if you are a dependent person or you are a dependent person according to our discussion. So for me, I would rather discuss about the dependent people, because what I know, in this world the world needs you and the purpose for which you are born. So that means the world needs you. That means you are a dependent. The world and you are depending with each other. You also need the purposes of each other in order to fulfill your purpose. So you need world and the world needs you. Because if there is no world, you cannot fulfill your purpose. Purpose cannot be fulfilled by isolation. So that means when you are alone, when you have been isolated, that is very difficult for you to achieve your goals, for you to be successful. So that is according to me, and I want you to comment in the comment section if you are against this or. So, for instance, I want you to discuss about this scenario. When the car, for instance, the car battery cannot fulfill the purpose unless you turn the key in the ignition. So that means unless you turn on the ignition, the car battery cannot fulfill the purpose of making the car to go. So that means the battery needs to send power to the engine, which starts the engine, and the power the wheels that moves the car. In this case, we have three dependent variables. We have the battery, we have the car, and we have the ignition system, which is composed of engine, and each of them depend with each other. And we have seen that battery cannot fulfill its purpose unless you turn on the key. And even if you have turned on the key, that key cannot fulfill your purpose unless the battery sends the power to the ignition system, which makes the engine to power, then the wheels makes the car to move. Without all that parts, the wheels that move the car, without all the car cannot fulfill their purposes. That means everything needs that means every part need each other. That is the same case with people. You need each other. For instance, if you are a business person, you need customers for your business to be successful. If, for instance, if you are a teacher, you need runners for you to be called a teacher. If there is no runners, there is no way you can be called a teacher. Or in any other way. If you are a farmer, you need marketers. You need someone to sell your products. You need customers to buy your products. So that means in this life, you must depend on others for you to be successful. So that means in your life, avoid staying alone. Avoid isolating yourself. Be dependent. Depend on others people. You can depend either on ideas. You can depend on many factors. So what I'm urging you today, be dependent. Depend on others with the matters that can make you successful.